Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by disarming the Vivint panel and silencing alerts. This prevents false alarms while you work. Next, locate the motion sensor and note its orientation so you can reseat it correctly. Use a ladder if it's mounted high. Remove the mounting bracket screws with a small Phillips or twist off the sensor cover per model. Once open, you'll see the battery and connector. Don't pull wires. Release clips gently to expose the old battery for removal. Once the cover is off, remove the old battery by lifting the tab or sliding it free. You want to avoid bending contacts. Install the new CR123A, making sure the positive and negative align exactly with the markings. Proper polarity ensures the circuitry powers correctly. Seat the cell firmly so the contact springs engage. Loose batteries cause intermittent faults. Then replace the cover and fasten screws evenly so the sensor sits squarely in its bracket. Make sure the lens is clean. After reinstalling, rearm your Vivint system and run a walk test so the panel registers motion. This verifies both battery and alignment. If the panel doesn't detect the sensor, first power cycle the main panel. Sometimes the network needs a reconnect. Next, reopen the sensor to recheck contact cleanliness and battery seating. Corrosion or a loose spring is a common culprit. If it still fails, you should contact Vivint support or schedule a technician, because persistent faults may indicate a failed sensor board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.